Your bundle includes either a customer-facing display with card reader or a standard card reader. We'll review how to install each item. Find the box labeled Customer-Facing Display. Unpack your display, card reader, and cable. You may also find an empty card reader box. The card reader is already installed in the display. Alternatively, find the box labeled Card Reader. Unpack your card reader, cable, and card reader cradle. For both display and non-display card readers, plug one end of the USB cable into the card reader USB port. Note, it may already be connected. Next, plug the other end of the USB cable directly into the back of the AX5 Point of Sale. Remove the back of the AX5 by unsnapping the horizontal bottom piece. It's held in place by two internal clips. Apply light pressure along the bottom edge to release them. Remove the vertical middle piece to reveal the display cable port. Thread the cable through the bottom of the AX5 Point of Sale using the cable management grooves to run the cable under the cable bar in the back. Plug the cable into the orange port labeled Display. Use the USB display port even if you have a card reader without a display. Snap the vertical middle piece and the horizontal bottom piece back into place on the AX5 Point of Sale. For a card reader with a cradle, detach the hold bar from the cradle. Slide the card reader into the cradle, making sure the card swipe track is located at the top. Snap the hold bar back onto the cradle, then reinstall the screws. Do not connect to a power outlet yet. The devices will power on later when you get to configuration. The card reader and the AX5 Point of Sale are now connected.